Hi, I'm Ray. In the greenhouse today. One of my most favourite jobs is potting up, and especially potting up tomatoes. So this is the tomatoes we grew in a muffin tray with a lid, and it's a free propagator. So the tomatoes have grown tall enough now, and now potting up is a case of taking individual plants, taking it from the starter tray and potting it up into an individual pot. So let me show you what we're going to do. So these are the tomatoes that we've grown in our seed starting tray, and we're going to pot these up into our starter pots. So first of all, we've got a little pot, and we're just going to fill this up with multi-purpose compost, just firming it in the pot. We could give this a water, and then we get a dibber or even a pen, and we make a hole in the middle of our pot, just like so. And then we take a look at our tomatoes, and we grab it by a leaf, and then we just dig underneath. You can smell tomatoes already just touching these, and we just disturb the compost, and then our seedling will come apart, and this is what we're left with. That's our seedling for transplanting. So we've got our pot, and we just place the seedling into the pot, plant it as deep as we can. All the little hairs on the stem will all create roots, so the deeper we go, the more roots it can get. And then we just press in and we bury the hole, and there we go. That is one of our seedlings potted up. We're going to go through and do the whole lot. Another one. Hole. Wiggle it around. Take another seed. Give it a tug. There we go. In the pot, press it down as far as we can go. Firm it in. There we are. So we're at the end of April. These are still too cold to go out, so they're going to sit inside the greenhouse. We just give it a little water, and they're going to sit inside the greenhouse until about the middle of May. And these are an outdoor one. They'll be able to go outside. Once the frost has passed, they'll be able to go outside. And that is potting up your seedlings. So, a few more to go. I continue to do our seedlings. So let me know in the comments, do you like potting up your seedlings? Find it very relaxing? There we go. And it's nice activity to do. There we go. Job done. So this is the seed tray which had the seedlings. We had marmalade, tigerella, gardener's delight and sun cherry, which none appeared. So we potted up marmalade, and here we go. All the seedlings all potted up in their own individual pots. And they're going to go on top of the greenhouse, getting nice light, give more water, and they're going to stay in here until middle of May, and then we can plant these out. So there we go, all potted up, and they're going to sit in the greenhouse and grow a bit more, water from the bottom, and then we're all sorted, ready for planting out.